Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Pro and let me share with you how to use a back tap on this device. So, did you know that you can actually tap on the back of your device, somewhere here, right in the middle, and open additional options, open specific apps, like for example the calendar or recorder. If not, then I will show you how to do it. So let's begin with opening the settings. Right here we have to scroll all the way down to find additional settings, and scroll all the way down again. Sorry, maybe not all the way down. Here we have to go to gesture shortcuts, which is in this accessibility section. So just tap on it. Now scroll down and find the back tap. Let's tap. As you can see, it is divided between two different options. So we can either use the double back tap, so you have to tap on the back twice, or triple back tap, so you have to tap 3 times. So as you can see, to the double back tap, I've got my calculator assigned, but you can also use notification shade, launch digital assistant, camera, silent mode, talkback, recorder, or none. So as I said, in my case it is calculator, and in the triple one I will use maybe recorder. Alright, so we've got it. So as I said, now what we have to do is to tap somewhere here, somewhere in the middle. So let me try to tap twice. It did not work, but let me tap on it again. And here we've got the calculator. So that's great. And now 3 times. And we've got the recorder, which is a really great option, and I highly recommend to use this option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.